Are you getting issues with your Roku remote? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Reset and repair. If your Roku remote isn't working, repairing it with the Roku device might help. Press and hold the pairing button on the back of the remote until the LED light starts flashing. Wait for the Roku device to recognize the remote, then release the button. If successful, the LED light will stop flashing and the remote should work again. Remember that not all Roku remotes need pairing. Enhanced remotes like voice remotes use RF audio waves and require pairing. Infrared remotes pair automatically. To repair them, open the battery compartment, remove the batteries, and reinsert them. You can identify the remote type by checking for a pairing button under the battery compartment cover. Method 2. Try resetting the Roku device and remote. If repairing the remote didn't work, you can try resetting both the Roku device and the remote. This process will restore the devices to their default factory settings, which may fix any issues with the remote. Here is how to reset the Roku device and remote. Unplug the power cable from the Roku device. Remove the batteries from the remote. Wait for at least 10 seconds. Reconnect the power cable to the Roku device. Wait for the device to restart and display the Roku logo on the screen. Reinsert the batteries into the remote. Wait for the remote to establish a connection with the Roku device. Method 3. Clean the Roku remote. Removing the batteries, wipe down the remote with rubbing alcohol or a microfiber cloth. Then dry with a clean towel. If there is grime inside the buttons, you can use a toothpick to remove it. Once the remote is clean, check the batteries. Method 4. Check the batteries. Press the power button while pointing the remote at your TV and make sure the LED indicator blinks. If it doesn't, the batteries might not have enough power. It's essential to check the batteries in your Roku remote when it stops working. If you have been using it for a while, the batteries might be drained. Here is what you can do. Open the battery compartment on the back of the remote. Depending on your remote model, you will need either two AA or AAA batteries. Replace them if necessary. Method 5. Set up remote for TV control. Press home button on Roku remote or voice remote if you have one. Select Settings. Select Remotes and Devices. Select Remote. Choose your voice remote from the list and select Set up remote for TV control. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Method 6. Check the remote for physical damage. If your Roku remote buttons are sticky or broken, it's a sign that they need replacement. Consider getting original Roku remotes as replacements. Maintaining a functional remote is crucial for a seamless streaming experience. Original remotes are designed specifically for Roku devices, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. You can find them through authorized retailers or directly from Roku's official website. Remember to check compatibility with your specific Roku model to ensure a perfect match. Method 7. Check your remote's compatibility. Roku offers several different remotes, each with varying features. Let's break it down. Roku Voice Remote Pro. This premium remote includes hand-free controls, custom shortcuts, and private listening. It's also rechargeable, making it convenient for daily use. Roku Voice Remote, similar to the Pro version but without hands-free controls. It still offers voice search and other useful features. Roku Simple Remote with IR. This basic remote works with most Roku models. It has standard buttons, including channels shortcuts, volume control, and TV power. Here is a quick compatibility guide for different Roku devices. Roku Streaming Stick Plus, 4K and 4K Plus models. Compatible with Roku Voice Remote Pro and Roku Voice Remote. Roku Ultra works with Roku Voice Remote Pro, Roku Voice Remote and Roku Simple Remote. Roku TVs compatible with Roku Voice Remote Pro, Roku Voice Remote and Roku Simple Remote. Roku Audio products support Roku Voice Remote Pro, Roku Voice Remote and Roku Simple Remote. Roku Premiere designed for the Roku Voice Remote, older Roku 2 and Roku 3 models. Use the Roku Gaming Remote. Roku Express 4K Plus requires the Roku Voice Remote. Roku Express and most older Roku models pair with the Roku Standard IR Remote. So, make sure you are using a compatible Roku remote, else it will not work. Remember, it's best to order these remotes directly from the Roku website to ensure compatibility. Third-party retailers might not provide accurate information. You can visit this page for detailed information about Roku accessories. And there you have it, the way to fix issues with Roku remote buttons. We hope one of the methods has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.